Today I will show you how to quickly convert an actual normal map into a dirt cavity map. For purpose of this video I'll disconnect an albedo and specular map. Basically, for this tutorial we need only a normal map texture. We're gonna separate all channels and recreate edge detect filter for x-axis and y-axis. The node is really simple, but may look complicated. Let's make a group and add UV coordinates inside the group. Now add two combined XYZ nodes. We need these nodes to separate channels. Now connect X channel from one combined node to group input and connect Y channel into the same input slot. We're gonna need this for offset image copies to opposite sides. Now add a mapping node and connect UV to vector. I've added two mapping nodes, but we need 4 copies of mapping node, because we need to offset X and Y in opposite sides. Now connect vector from combine X and lower combine Y to location input of mapping nodes. Now duplicate mapping node and add vector math node. Set vector math to multiply and connect vector from combine Y to location. Set multiply value to -1 and connect vector output to location input of the new mapping node. Connect UV coordinates to empty vector input, of course. Now let's do the same for X combined node. Duplicate mapping, connect X combined vector to location, UV to vector and invert X location by vector math node. We can simply copy vector math. Now add a normal map which you want to convert. Yeah, this is what we need. Now let's connect first mapping vector output to normal map input and turn texture into a group. When we add this to group, we can simply replace image in this node for every instance of a group. We need 4 instances of this group for plus x versus minus x and plus y versus minus y. Now add a separate color node for Blender 3.3 or separate RGB for previous blenders and mix these nodes. Set mode to divide and factor to 1. Do the same for combine Y node, but from separate color node mix and divide green outputs. Now mix and multiply both outputs. Go outside the group and tweak group value to 0.001. This is our texture offset. And it just works, but we need some tweaks. Of course you can use higher values, but 0.001 works best. We can also mix this with blue channel, which can give us some cool contrast. Remember to connect color output to group output. Use map range instead of color ramp. Remember that you can make this an asset and reuse it for every model with normal map. Now we can use our beloved color ramp. I'll show a quick example and make a metal mask with our node. And that's it. And thank you for watching.